Today we are studying the statistical distribution of from the given data to find the most probable average value and RMS value of the given data. Now, what is this statistical distribution? The statistical distribution, this is the topic belongs to paper 2 of physics, where you have the statistical physics subject is there, clear, where you will study about the molecules of the gas distribution, molecules, atoms distribution, electron distribution. This is the distribution that you are studying in statistical physics, and there are two types. The Bose-Einstein statistical distribution, that is called as the classical distribution theory, and second one is known as the Fermi-Dirac statistical distribution, that is known as the quantum statistical distribution theory. So there are these two types of the statistical data study. It is not possible to study the gas molecule or atoms or electrons distribution directly. So we will take the reference experiment. So this is a reference experiment where there are the number of students, their roll numbers are given, and their marks are given. So using the data of the roll numbers of the students and marks obtained by them in the examination, you have to find out the statistical distribution. Similarly, there is a gas molecule, there are the atomic distribution, gas molecule distribution, electron distribution. This distribution, what you do? You have studied the kinetic theory of gases in 12th class. What you do? You find the RMS velocity, you find the probable velocity, you find the most probable velocity of the gas molecule by the statistical distribution. That time you don't know it was called as the statistical distribution, but it is actually a statistical distribution that you have been studied this year in theory. So here in the examination you have given a chart. That chart contains the roll number of the student and the marks obtained by the student. From this data you have to find out the most probable velocity, most probable value. Most probable value means what? It is the value that is probably taken by most of the student in the examination. That is called as the most probable value. And similarly, there is a RMS value. And what is the formula for most probable value? Most probable value has a formula: MP is equal to under root 2 kT by m. MP is equal to under root 2 kT by m, where m is equal to 1.12 MP. Clear? Is that okay? And there is a RMS value. That is what? RMS value is equal to 1.22 into MP. RMS value is equal to 1.22 into MP. Actually, this is the student data of marks obtained according to their roll number. And from this you are finding the most probable value and RMS value. But in the gaseous molecule distribution, this is a reference experiment. With reference to this experiment, you can study the gaseous molecule distribution statistically as explained by the Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac. Clear? So, as per the Bose-Einstein theory, what is the most probable value of gas? Most probable value of gas is equal to under root 2 kT by m, where K is known as the Boltzmann constant, T is the temperature, and m is known as the molecular weight or mass of the gas molecule. This is what the comparison. This is the comparative experiment. That is on the basis of student data you are studying the statistical distribution of gas molecule. Clear? And similarly, what is the root mean square velocity? So here you have to find the most probable marks and most probable RMS root mean square value of marks. But in that case, you have to find the most probable value of velocity and RMS value of velocity. So you have to find out the velocity of gas molecule using the statistical distribution. And what is that velocity? It is C equal to under root 3 RT by m, where R is called as the gas constant, RT by m. C, RMS velocity is equal to under root 3 RT by m. 3 R means what? Real gas constant, T temperature, m molecular weight or mass. Okay? And most probable value under root 2 kT by m, K Boltzmann constant. Clear? So this is what you have to compare. Not simply you have to perform the practical of collecting the data of student, finding the mean value, finding the average value. No, It is just a sample, or it is a comparative study of actually the statistical distribution of gas molecule. Clear? So what are the questions asked in this experiment? Why you are studying this experiment? Why are you using this experiment means what? This experiment enables us to study the statistical physical of gaseous molecule distribution as per Bose-Einstein theory or Fermi-Dirac theory. One thing. Second thing is what? What is most probable value? If the external asks you, oh, what is most probable velocity? What will be your answer? The most probable velocity is the velocity possessed by the maximum number of molecules at a given temperature. Clear? And the unit of most probable velocity is meter per second. And most probable velocity is given by the formula C equal to under root 2 kT by m. Then the external will ask you, what is RMS velocity? Root mean square velocity. Clear? So what will say? It is the square root of mean of the all the velocities of the gaseous molecule. It is given by C equal to under root 3 RT, and its unit is meter per second. Meter per second. So this is the comparative study of gas molecule. Clear? Is that okay? And these are the Viva questions. Okay? If you have the online practical examination, these Viva questions may be asked. We will send you the question bank of Viva questions later on. But if offline practical, then you have to take the reading. But this is a theoretical practical. This you can perform by taking any data. Clear? Is that okay? So this is a theoretical experiment. It does not require any lab. Clear? You can perform this experiment at your home also. Okay? We will send you the copy of this data. With the help of this data, read the experiment and find out the calculation. This is the only experiment in 5th semester where you do not need the apparatus. Using the data, you can directly find out the all calculations. So we are sending the copy of that data that is there in the manual itself, but in this format you will get the data in the examination. Clear? So this is sufficient for this practical hour. Have a good day.